We're here in Chicago at Axpona 2024. It's going to be a great show. Check out our coverage.
And please check out our Facebook page, the fastest growing audiophile Facebook page, over 12,000 members in 3 months, The Listening Chair with Howard Neller Group.
I'm Howard Neller.
I'm Kemper Holt.
And welcome to The Listening Chair. Next stop is Esoteric America. Hiro Mashida has come all the way from Japan to talk to us. We really appreciate it. They've brought some great products, and so let's find out what they got. Thank you for having us, Mashida-san.
Thank you.
My history with Esoteric goes way back. We first met when I visited the factory back in 2020.
Yes.
I really enjoyed meeting you, and it's great to see you again.
Great to see you again.
Can you tell us what Esoteric has been up to in the last couple of years since I visited?
Okay. Last couple of years, last 5 years, we introduced our X edition of our amplifier.
Down here we have the amplifier, right? So that would be the
M1X, yes.
Yep. M1X,
M1X
for
and
monoblock.
preamp, Grandioso T1.
Okay.
And we also introduced the one church version of the C1, which is called Grandioso C1X Solo.
Okay.
And also, this time we carry Class AB monoblock M1X, but we also introduced the single charge Class A S1X.
Okay.
That was
so I'm sorry, the monoblocks are Class AB?
Class A stereo amplifier.
So the monoblocks and the stereo amp are both
Yes.
Class A. Why did the company go back to the Class A topology?
Actually, it's a market requirement. Most of the Japanese customer likes a pure low distortion capability of the Class A amplifiers.
And I guess we'd be remiss if we didn't ask you about the component on the top of the rack.
Yes. 2022 was our 35th anniversary year. So to celebrate our anniversary year, we introduced our first turntable, Grandioso T1. And this is a very unique product, completely different from conventional turntable. This is a magnet drive system, and we developed our own patented magnet drive system, taking 5 years. And 2018, we applied the patent in Japan and start developing our turntable. And the unique point is that this is a motor unit, and on the top of the motor unit, there is a magnetic rotor. And the connection between the motor and platter is, there is no physical contact. So it's a magnetic induction-based driving system. So the playback is very silent background.
Okay.
And also this system has a very strong rotational torque, high torque. Compared to the conventional belt drive, it has 300 times higher torque. So nearly the same as the direct drive. But as you know, the direct drive turntable, the platter is directly coupled with the motor, so the Lambo is always the problem. But we are a contact-free drive system.
Okay.
And also has a very strong torque, so it's got a very good punch in the bass.
And underneath, I think we have a relatively new phono preamp.
Yes, this is a EO2. It's a fully balanced phono stage, and you can change the load with this dial.
Right.
So this one can match with any type of cartridge. And there is a 2 singulated input and XLR input. And whole the circuit configuration inside is balanced.
Okay, fully balanced?
Yes.
Dual mono?
Dual mono, yes.
Right. And then I guess it wouldn't be an esoteric room if we didn't have a disc player somewhere, correct?
Yes.
So can you tell us about that?
Okay, this time we upgraded the Grandioso K1X to SE version.
Okay.
And the new SE version has there are 2 upgraded points. One is internal clock. We have been using a off-the-shelf VCXO chipset,
okay.
But now we designed the whole clock circuit with our discrete circuit design.
Oh, so you use a proprietary clock?
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
So the sound quality is upgraded, and also the DA converter. let me show you. Let me show you. This one is the DAC board used in the K1X for the one channel.
Fully discrete.
Yes, fully discrete. It's a ladder DAC. It's a ladder registers.
Oh, really?
And this is a processing part.
Right.
And normally the chipset, DAC chipset off the shelf one size is like this, and we have this size, big component, big power supply, very precise registers, so it sounds good. And this is a digital domain, and this is the analog domain. And this time we upgraded the analog part of the DAC board. So the SE has the same digital processing, so the program is not changed, the same, but the analog part, we replaced the parts to make a more musical sound.
Okay.
Esoteric is all made in-house.
Okay. Can you give us any hint of anything that may be coming down the road, or not yet?
Okay. As you can imagine, we have a turntable now.
Right.
And what we are missing in the Grandioso line, that will be coming up next time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Wow. That will be that will be something.
And also, the people always asks the top line of the streamer. So we, our
Grandioso streamer.
Yes, Grandioso streamer. So we are also considering to make one.
I know you guys don't do things, you do things very deliberately. And when it comes out, it's right. And it doesn't come out until it's right.
Yes.
So,
as you know, we are a very small company. So we need to take a lot of time to develop one product. So it will take time. So we cannot assure about the timing.
Right. I gotcha. Well, it's great to see you again, really.
Thank you.
Thank you coming all the way from Tokyo. I guess the cherry blossoms are out already?
Yes. Oh. It's a very good season.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes.
Thank you, Machida-san.
Thank you very much.
Sure. My name is Keith Hawes. I'm the Director of Hi-Fi Sales for Playback Distribution. We're the importer of esoteric products here for North America. We're here in the Grandioso room today, and just to highlight the main focus of what's here in the Grandioso stack is the new Grandioso T1 turntable with the proprietary Magna Drive system. This comes into the U.S. market at a retail of $80,000 with a tone arm, or $82,500 without a tone arm. And it'll handle up to 3 tone arms if you already own one of your own, or choose to purchase one aftermarket from another source. We're also highlighting the new M1X monoblocks.
Right.
300 watts per channel into 8 ohms, 600 into 4. These retail at $87,000 for the set. And then we have the new N1XD SE, which is the latest evolution of this particular model that's been in the marketplace for about 4 to 5 years now, with a new upgrade to the Master Sound Discrete DAC in the analog stage. That's retailing at a price of $25,000.
Okay, Keith. Well, thanks so much. We really appreciate you having us in the room today.
You're quite welcome.
And we definitely look forward to hearing the system.
Great. My pleasure.